Tired of annoying ads on your iPhone? Here's how to block most ads and pop-ups using built-in iOS settings, no third-party apps required. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll again and tap on Apple Advertising. Here, make sure Personalized Ads is turned off. This reduces the tracking used to serve you targeted ads across Apple services. Next, go back to the main Settings menu and tap Screen Time. Then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's not enabled yet, turn it on. Inside that menu, tap Privacy, then Apple Advertising, and set it to Don't Allow. This prevents apps from accessing ad settings on your device. Now go back again and tap on Safari. Scroll down and turn on Block Pop-ups. This will stop most browser-based ads when you're browsing with Safari. If you want extra protection, you can also enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking in the same Safari settings. And that's how you block ads on your iPhone using built-in iOS settings. No need for third-party ad blockers. Follow for more quick iPhone tips, and let me know if you want a guide on blocking YouTube ads or in-app banners next.